morning one and all. In last lecture we were talking about touch command, and I told you about how to change the modification time to the current time. So modification time, difference between modification time and access time is that access time means just you have opened that file for reading purpose, and modification means you are changing something into that file. That is your modification timestamp of the file. So if I want to change the timestamp of modification to the current one, then what should I write? Touch -m and then name of the file. Okay, so touch -m Lena. So here Lena, suppose it's a modification time is something else, that is yesterday or day before yesterday. I can change that modification time to the current one with the help of -m option. Then another one, that is how to explicitly set access and modification time. That is with the help of -c and -t option. So you can specify here year, day, date, and time, hours, and in a minutes. So see example, touch -c -t -t for changing to that particular time. So here time is 17:30 and December 10, that is December month, and 10 is the date, and current year, that is last year actually 2019. So as it was a current year, so no need to mention year over here, just 12, that is a month, and then 10, this is a month, sorry, date, and then 1713, this is your time. Now if I want to see whether it has been changed or not, then what you can do, just here type ls and space l. Okay, so type here ls -l, and then you will get that whether that file has been changed or not. Yes, that file timestamp has been changed. Now if I want to use timestamp of another file, then it is also possible with the help of -r option. -r option, it is considered as a reference option. So what it does in this example, Lena and Meena, these are the name of the two files. So suppose if we want to update the timestamp of Meena with the reference of timestamp of Lena, then we should write in this way, touch -r Lena and then Meena. So this is your source timestamp file and this is your destination timestamp file. So Meena's timestamp will be get changed with this Lena's timestamp. Are you getting the point? So when you are writing this command, how you should write? Touch -r, then the source file timestamp with which you want to change to another file's timestamp, and the second file name in which you want to change the timestamp. Okay, so Meena's timestamp will be get changed. Suppose you want to create a file using a specified time. Suppose you are creating a file simple, touch and the name of the file. How it will create? It will create empty file with the current timestamp. But I want to change it to a specific timestamp. Then touch -t and then specify in this way: year, month, date, and then hours and minutes. And if you want to specify the seconds also, then specify dot and then seconds. Here is an example for December 10, 2012, and 18:30 and 55. This is the seconds. So in this way you can mention over here. So note it down that you can create with a specified timestamp. So we have seen all these options. So what is a touch command? Touch command, it is used for creating a file. It is used to change the modification and the access time. For the access time, use -a option. It will change to the current access time. -c, that it will avoid if the file exists. Okay, then it will not create that file. Then -m, it is used to change to the current modification time. If we want to set a particular access time and modification time or specified time, then use in such a way -t option. -r option is that you can use this -r option as a reference of another file's timestamp. Now next one, very simple command, changing the directory. If I want to switch from one directory to the another directory, then use cd command. cd for change directory, c for change, d for directory. What is the syntax? cd and name of the directory where you want to switch. Let's take some example. See here, this is an ls command, and ls command contains or it displays different files and directories. Now, which are the different directories? Desktop, git, hand, music, publish, public, videos, documents. Okay, so document, suppose I want to switch to document directory, then what I will write? cd space name of that directory, which one they have written? Documents. Then see, you will switch into that document directory. Now just you want to see the current working directory, which command we should type? pwd, print working directory. See, it is you get an working directory as a home, Raghavendra, and then documents. Suppose we want to move to the root directory. Root directory, everyone you know that root means slash, forward slash, that is your root at a higher hierarchy level. So the cd space forward slash and press enter. Then you will be in the root directory. See here, see this command into this snapshot, cd space and then forward slash, press enter. Now you can see here there is a change. First of all, it's a tilde symbol, and after that this is slash. So it means that from home directory we have switched back to the root directory. Now type pwd, it will print the current working directory, that is a slash. So currently we are in a root directory. So which syntax we should use to switch to the root directory? cd space slash forward slash. Suppose we want to move to the different directories level with this subdirectories level. For example, directory 1 contain directory 2 and directory 2 contain directory 3. So rather than writing these three commands in a different onto a different line, better way that what I will write cd dir1 slash dir2 and slash dir3. Then directly I can switch to this directory 3. See, one example has been given over here. cd space documents slash gigs for gigs slash example. Now what it will do? It will switch to which directory right now? Example. So what will be our current working directory? Example, up to the example, that is our current working directory. So we can move in this way also. Suppose we want to go back one level back to the directory rather than root directory. If I want to move to the parent directory, that is also possible with the help of the two dots. So how should I write? cd space two dots. Okay, in this way. See, first of all pwd, where we are in the example. Now suppose I want to move to the back to the parent directory. Which one is the parent directory of example? Yes, gigs for gigs. It is a parent directory. Now I want to go to this gigs for gigs. What I will write? cd space dot dot. It will switch to this gigs for gigs directory. Again type the pwd. See, you are in this gigs for gigs directory. Another way that I can switch back to the previous directory as a cd space hyphen. Okay, so write down this one, cd space hyphen, you will back to this parent directory. So what we learn in a cd command? C means change, D for directory, cd stands for changing directory. We can change from one directory to the another directory. Even we can move inside the subdirectories also. cd slash, what it does? Directly you will move to the root directory. Another one, if I want to move into the subdirectories, then I can use in this way, parent directory and then forward slash and then subdirectory. I will go directly into the subdirectory. If I move back into the parent directory one level up, then use cd space dot dot. Another way, cd space hyphen. In this way you can go to the previous directory. So in this example, cd space hyphen, first of all you are in the user, local and lib. So you are in the library directory. I want to go back into the local directory. Type cd space hyphen, you will be in the local directory. Next command is removing directory. We have created the directory with the help of which command? mkdir command. Now I want to remove the directory. How we can remove a directory? With the help of this command. Which one? rmdir command. Rm stands for remove, dir stands for directory. What it does? it will remove the directory, it will delete the directory from your file system of the Linux, but the condition is that your directories are empty. It should not contain anything, then it will remove the directory. Are you getting the point? When it is deleting the directory, when the directories are empty, it doesn't contain anything, then and then only you can remove the directory. If suppose it contains some file and you are trying to delete it, it will give an error. Suppose this one file, document directory, contain a Java file, hello.java, and you are trying to remove that directory, document directory. It will prompt an error that this directory contain one file. First of all, remove that file, and then you can remove this directory with the help of rmdir command. So this is one of the limitation of this rmdir. See, there can be a question that can we remove a directory which contains some files or which contains some data with the help of rmdir? Yes or no? No, we cannot. What are the options? Now this rmdir you can relate same as an mkdir, having the same options. So rmdir options and then name of the directory. Simply without option also you can write rmdir directory. That directory will be get deleted. What is -p option we have used in which one now? Mkdir directory command. So P for you can delete here parent as well as a subdirectory. -v for verbose, that is it will print a message whether that command has been processed successfully or not. All this message will be get printed. If you want a help information, then you can type -help. And if you want to print the version number of that particular command, you can use -version. Let's see examples. If I want to remove test directory, see first of all what is recommended that first of all create some directories with the help of mkdir and try to remove that directories. Don't delete the system directories if you have installed Linux on your computer. Then rmdir space test directory has been created. Now it will be get deleted. If we want to delete nested empty directories, see empty directory, it is compulsion one. So rmdir space -p space dir1, dir2 and dir3. All these directories will be recursively will be get deleted. So first of all dir3 deleted, then 2 and then 1. So one by one all these three directory will be removed. If we try to execute this command without -p option, whether it will run? No, it will not run. It will give an error. Then suppose you are using -v. -v option, how you will use over here? rmdir -v -p and then this name of the directories. So it will print that which are the different directories are getting deleted in that sequence. Okay, the another way that suppose we want to delete multiple directories. Okay, see this one rmdir mydir1, mydir2 and mydir3. So first of all it will delete mydir1. If it is not empty, then it will print the message that mydir1 is not empty, and then it will try to delete for directory 2 and then directory 3 in this way. Another way, first one you can see this is a sequence of mydir/mydir1. So it will try to remove this one. If this one is not empty, then it will prompt an error, and if it is empty, then this directory will be deleted, and after that mydir will be get deleted. So this is about the rmdir. Okay, so we learned rmdir for the removing directory, cd command, touch command and mkdir command in this lecture. Okay, thank you.